Hello, good morning, morning everyone. 11 commerce subject statistics, in which we take the chapter number 6 after completing 5 chapters. Last chapter we have studied skewness of the frequency distribution, and we are going to start a new chapter, chapter number 6, that is permutations, combinations and binomial expansions. It is pure mathematical chapter, means numericals, practical examples, all is there. Permutation. Permutation is denoted by NPR. What is the meaning of permutation? Permutation means arrangement. We make use of in practical life. For example, in parking plot, four-wheeler, two-wheeler, bikes, scooters, etc. Separately arrangement means permutation is there. In the library, books are arranged in so manner that each subject remains together, right? Each subject, each language remains together. Then it is known as permutation. In the arrangement of the students, arrangement of the passengers in a bus, in a train, also make use of permutations. And out of n items, n number of the items or n persons, if we want to arrange r number of the items or r person, then it will be denoted by NPR, and it is given by NPR means n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus 3 up 2 into n minus r plus 1. Or further it is denoted by NPR is given by n factorial upon n minus r factorial. This is factorial notation. Now what is the meaning of factorial notations? Then for example, if 5 factorial is there, then value can be calculated this way. 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 up to 1. Multiplication is there, answer is 120. If there is 3 factorial, then 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 1, answer is 6. And one important note, that 0 factorial is 1 and 1 factorial is also 1. Permutation means arrangement of r objects or r number of the items or r persons out of given n number of the items, and so it is denoted by NPR. P means permutation of r item out of given n item. And important results, that NP0 is always 1, NP1 is always n, NPn is always n factorial, NP n minus 1 also n factorial. Now combination. Combination means selection, and selection is denoted by NCR. This is combinations, and combination is denoted by NCR. Selection of r item or r number of the person out of given n items or n number of the persons. If we want to form a committee for a particular purpose, sport activity, other activities, then committees to be formed in a school or in a firm or in an office, then NCR is used. In a question paper, if the question we have to attend 5 out of 7 questions, attend 25, then we have to select 5 questions out of given 7 questions. Then it is the question of combination. Combination formula NCR is given by n factorial upon n minus r factorial into r factorial, or further it is given by NPR upon r factorial, because this is NPR. See, in the formula of NPR, n factorial upon n minus r factorial, and further only the remaining thing is r factorial in the multiplication in the denominator. Therefore, it is also given by NPR upon r factorial. It is the formula for computing NCR. And important notes for the combination, that NC0 always 1, NCn always 1, NC n minus 1 is equal to n, NC1 equal to n, NCR is equivalent to NC n minus r, subtraction of these two quantity, NC n minus r. And if NCx equal to NCy, then if NCX equal to NCY, then both are equal, x and y, x equal to y, or addition of x and y equal to n, x plus y equal to n. These are the important results, important notes for combination. Permutation means arrangement, combination means selection. Here order is important, here order is not important, right? Order means arrangement order. Now binomial expansion. Binomial means there are only two terms, and in the power, raised to means n is the power index, right? 2, 3, we know expansion, x plus y raised to 2, x plus y raised to 3. But if 5 is given, 6 is given, 7 is given, then what to do? That means x plus a raised to n, it is known as binomial expansions. There are only two terms, and in power 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. will be given. X plus a raised to n, whole raised to n is given by NC0, first term x, second term a, x raised to n, a raised to 0. NC1, x raised to n minus 1, a raised to 1. NC2, x raised to n minus 2, a raised to 2. Plus plus up to plus. NC and x raised to n minus n means 0. And a raised to this number means n. So this is complete binomial expansion formula. At the time of practical example, it will be more clear to you. This NC0, NC1, for example, n equal to 5, then 5C0, 5C1, 5C2, 5C3, 5C5, they are known as the coefficients, right, of the terms, different terms, and it is calculated as with the basis of help of Pascal's triangle, which is very much useful in our binomial expansion system. Pascal's triangle is n is an exponent. If n equal to 1, then for both the term coefficients are 1. If n equal to 2, if power is 2, then 1 to 1. Same way, you see, x plus y raised to 2 means x raised to 2 plus 2 times xy plus y raised to 2 means here 1, here 2, here 1. 1 to 1. This is 2. 1 to 1. How to get to 1 plus 1 equal to 2? If power is 3, n equal to 3, power n equal to 3, right? Then 1, 1 plus 2, 3, 1 plus 2, 3, 1, 3, 3, 1. If n equal to 2, then there are 3 number of the terms. If n equal to 3, then there are 4 number of the terms. 1, 3, 3, 1. They are the coefficients. If n equal to 5, then coefficients are 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, 1. 6 number of the terms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This way. Right? These are the important formula, and this is pure mathematical chapter in our statistics subject. Permutations, combinations, and binomial expansion. And these are the important formula for calculating examples or numericals. So please remember, please be prepared with this formula. From the next lecture onwards, in this chapter, we are going to start short examples based on permutations and combinations, and then we take binomial expansion. Okay, see you everybody.